Never did I get a package labeled, oh, hold on, it says fragile. Labeled to Makiyah Michelle from who? Shipped from where? Megan Thee Stallion herself, okay? And you know what? It's so crazy how I could really suppress my reaction until it's time, because yesterday I got this package, I paid it no mind. I'm like, oh, it came? But just now I turned on the camera and I started feeling excited, real excited. I have a package labeled Makiyah Michelle from who? Megan Thee Stallion. Okay, let me get my scissors and let me open. No, where's my knife at? Hold on. Okay, y'all, so if you've been around for a little minute, you would know that around October-ish, I did a video that went viral on TikTok. Okay, I brought the sound to TikTok. If you ever heard it, sorry, hoes hate me because I'm the it girl. Yeah, that was brought to you by yours truly. And it did a little cute 3 mil. Like, it did a little cute 3 mil. And I brought the sound to TikTok, so Megan's team reached out to me. And they said they'd like to send me this. Hold on. Let me open it real quick. Oh, shoot. Let's open it, y'all. Oh, I need to do an unboxing video. Hold on. Let me put y'all down. Okay. Should I do an unboxing video for TikTok or what? I'll just leave it for y'all, my girls, okay? TikTok will get a little cute sound effect. This will be for y'all. Yeah, hold on. Okay. Mouth watering may occur upon opening. What? What is you talking about, Meg? What is you talking about? Let me see. Okay, what's this? Sweetest Pie. Cause you know she just had that song come out with Dua Lipa. Megan Thee Stallion goes gold belly to celebrate Megan's brand new single, Sweetest Pie. The Grammy Award-winning musician and H-Town hottie is teaming up with Gold Belly to bring you Megan's Sweetest Pie. This is, no, she sent me a pie. I think it was gonna be a pie. Hold on. I think it was gonna be a pie. Thank you, Megan. Hold on. Thank you for looking his eyes. The next day, I might leave for my red. Hey, pop it. Anyways, travel with your Go Belly taste buds. Megan, you gave me some candy. Hold on. I did not know it was gonna be this. They told me it was gonna be something else. Let's keep going. What's this? Megan Thee Stallion gave me a pie. Hold on, Megan. What's this? It's some lipstick. There's some lip gloss. Okay. Her Revlon collection. Oh, I cannot believe this. I cannot. They did not tell me they was gonna send me this. Megan, hold on, because I actually listen to Megan for real. Hold on. Don't play with me, because you could put on any Megan freestyle. I know it's down. Okay, don't play with me. I cannot believe it. Hold on, let me wrap it up. Let me wrap it back up. Megan Thee Stallion sent me a pie. Thank you, Megan. Thanks, Meg. Hot girl, Meg. Hold on. Okay. No, I need to call my friend. Let me call my friend, because yesterday when she saw that I even got a package from Megan, she was screaming.
You opened it?
Yes.
Acting crazy.
It's not what I thought they were gonna send me at all. So you know how she just had that song come out with Dua Lipa?
Mm-hmm.
She sent me a pie. And she sent me makeup, and she sent me candy.
What's that? Candy?
Yes, this is candy. And because she just had that song come out, Sweetest Pie with Dua Lipa, she sent me a pie.
She sent you a pie?
She sent me a pie. Hold on.
Megan Thee Stallion out here sending pies through the mail?
Megan is sending pies.
What the fuck is that?
Megan is sending the girl pies, okay?
Okay, it's a hot girl pie.
It's a hot girl pie.
That's the reason you're fucking talking. You gonna send me a fucking bio? I said, where's my backstage pass? I got us invited to the next concert. You think I'm gonna bring on E next time? Sending me a I'm not making TikToks with no song. I don't want no fucking bio. And what type of
Girl, I see chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. It's making sending me a pie. This girl done sent me a pie.
You gotta bake it.
I'm gonna bake it. I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, period.
And you know what's funny? I don't even like pie.
I know. The PR gotta be better. The PR gotta be better. You want the promotion up, but this time if you make a TikTok to this song and she sends you a fucking pie again, no more. This pie, she got one more chance. Okay, the pie was cute. You want me to promote this song? I'ma do it. After that, if you send me a pie in the mail, we're done. Michelle or something? Oh no, Megan. It's okay. This is your fan. The beginner. She knows who you are now. You put your name out. Did she know Makiyah Michelle? Oh, this is the platform. This is the platform.
Elite, too bad you can't go and invest in 50s. I'm damn, I ain't see Meek million a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week. You are now looking at the bestie elite. Too bad you can't go and invest in 50s. I'm damn, I ain't see Meek million a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week.
Say something. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. So what's a girl to do? She needs love. Some girls need love. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Oh yeah, you. This hair 8. This hair ate it up. I cannot even motherfucking lie. Alright. Let me walk to Chloe, baby girl. It's snowing and all. Yeah. Chocolate brown on the girls, giving Willy Wonka. As I should. I'm stepping to the car. Hold on, because if I got a ticket, I'm gonna go nuts. Because best believe the time on that meter is up. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, it's cold, girl. No, it's snowing. They can't put no tickets on the car in the snow like this. If they did, y'all have no time for no life, no nothing. We here. We here. My nose already. Hold on. Get into the install. Let me. Yeah, I made a movie like Seth Rowe, and since I came in the game, their career's on death row. Damn, I seen Young Nicki in a week. Okay, like, it looked too good. Hold on. Because once I turn this car on, the camera gonna start shaking. I don't know why I do that. It'd be, like, vibrating and stuff, so. Oh, girl, it's cold air. Please defrost the back. I made a movie like Seth Rowe, and since I came in the game, their career's on death row. Yeah, since I stepped in the game, their careers on mother and death row. Since I came in the game, their careers on death row. Turn that off, bro. Just defrost my car. I don't have time for this. Nah, let me. I can't even. Are you dumb? Are you stupid? Are you dumb? Let me call. I need to call my friend. Hush. I don't even know your name. Okay, let me. Yeah, bitch, hold on. Yeah. Is it given? Is it given? Yeah. Yeah. Ate it up. And they got, she got it. Yeah. Allie Pearl. Allie Pearl. Oh, yeah, Pearl. I love it. Thank you. No, brown, don't dye it. I gotta keep it like this. A flavor. You need a flavor. I'm giving Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory. Yeah, you giving a black girl. Yeah, that's from the root. Oh, yeah. That's from the root. Yeah, get into it. Yeah. What lace? That's right. This is from my scalp. This is from my scalp. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I love it.
Thank you, babes.
It's giving Black Mariana.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Think of that.
Love you, bro.
Yeah, I love it. Don't dye this. Don't dye it black. You need a flavor.
Yeah, my fucking song I gotta play. Hold on.
I just told
Do we have a problem? Oh, I don't. Tell them I need no
Inside your whole set like it's the round 6 clips. Whole team get fired in round trips. She's the spine on my flick.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Makiyah Michelle, and today we have another vlog. We got a lot of things to do. Let's first start off with the fact that I need to go get my toes done, and they need to get done ASAP because today is about to be what, 70 degrees. Like, spring is here, and now that it's getting warmer, these toes can't rock. Maybe they could have, you know, they would have been okay in the winter time because nobody's gonna see them. They're gonna be in some Uggs, they're gonna be in sneakers. But now that it's getting warmer, we can't play around anymore, and I absolutely have to go get my toes done. This chip on my big toe is just not gonna work. So I need to get my toes done. Then I need to bring some pants I got from Pretty Little Thing. I have 2 pairs of pants from Pretty Little Thing. I have 2 pairs of pants from Pretty Little Thing that do not fit, so I have to go ahead and bring them to see if I can get them altered. I definitely want to get that done because, baby, I'm trying to wear my clothes, okay? They're not going to be stored away in the drawers this summer. Like, we're going out and stuff. We need to have clothes on deck, okay? And then speaking of going out, like I said, today's going to be 70 degrees. I absolutely have to take pictures today. It's only right. Let's talk about the fact that Nicki dropped last night. Like, baby, you know the Instagram caption. It's going to be on 10. It got to be there. You know you bad when you can post from any angle. Like, you know. Yo, I dead have this huge bump on my chin. Like, this is not cute. I'm about to take care of it right now. Look, give me a second. Hold on. No, because then it's going to be red while I do my intro. Alright, you can stay here for a few more minutes and then you're done. Okay? Baby. But yeah, I should be going out with one of my friends later today, so we have a few things to get done, a few things going on today. Hopefully tomorrow's the same, but I actually think it's raining tomorrow, so tomorrow might be the day I film my makeup tutorial because I really want to get that done. And I think we're pretty much caught up on what we're doing today. This on Turkey party. Me on Nika Tanya. He asked in Puerto Ricana. Special guest who drip me the wetsuit. Okay, we gotta get ready, y'all. Let's go.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all over my life, my thank God for the journey, the earning, the just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, we say blessings fall on my right hand. What's I do is for the friends that take off with the load one time. Sit down in the class and we report them. Only set the road and we go on with the road.
Hey guys, so it's currently hours later, okay, and I'm getting ready to go out with my friend. Literally, I have to leave my house in 10 minutes, and my makeup's not done because the restaurant we're eating at, it's like 10 minutes away from her, 15 minutes away from her, I think, based on like the maps. But for me, it's like 30 minutes away. So yes, I'm running very late. My makeup's not done. Luckily for me, my skin has been pretty good to me. So this is a fresh face, babes. So we're not even gonna do foundation or none of that because it's not giving she needs it. It's giving natural beauty, okay? Like, girl, yeah, let's not talk about the lace. Let's talk about the face, okay? And let's get into this makeup, right? Let's think. Brows. My brows aren't done. And I didn't even text that woman. I didn't even text my brow woman. I didn't even text my brow lady and make an appointment. I keep forgetting. Like, I'm gonna do that when I am eating, I guess, or I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I need to get my brows done because they is starting to get out of control. Like, bro, they's looking a little bit wild out here. This brow pencil is finished.
I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself let alone the soul weight, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That already never exists. to her. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me. Just like baby, over you.
I think it's in here. Your girl's just walking, stepping, feet hurting, like it's the golden hour and shit. Can't even take no pictures because I've been walking. Toes hanging off the edge of my heels. Like, it's crazy out here. It's crazy out here for a pimp.
Heartbeat at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the end. Made me feel like there is life worth living. Made me feel alive. Oh yeah. Diamond on my side, baby. Where would I be without your love beside me? Oh, baby, where would I be? Looking at the best, the elite. Too bad you can't go and invest in 50. I'm damn, I ain't see Meek million a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week. You are now looking at the best, the elite. Too bad you can't go and invest in 50. I'm damn, I ain't see Meek million a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week.